Welcome back to my YouTube, guys. So today is a carnival slash festive look we're going for. So the first thing you want to do is apply dark blue eyeshadow and then a darker blue eyeshadow and blend it together. You mainly want to focus in your crease and a little above it, the darkest blue in your outer corner. And I know you guys are probably wondering, like, dang, this girl uses the same brushes every time. I do. I'm not even gonna lie. I have not invested in any good brushes, and that's why some of my work doesn't look as good as it could. But, you know, I work with what I have. You feel me? So now I'm just cutting my crease with my concealer. And I have a thicker concealer, and I have a concealer that isn't so thick. So I use both. Now we're just going in with yellow in the inner corner and orange, a bright orange in the middle of the cut crease in between the yellow and the blue. And sorry that it's kind of out of focus, you guys. I didn't notice while I was filming. So now I'm just taking my, what is this? LA Girl Pro Concealer. Yeah, I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer. And this concealer is not thick. It's not a very thick consistency, so kind of have to pack it on there. Then you want to put the yellow in the outer corner of the wing, and then orange in the middle, and the dark blue in the corners, and you kind of create like this winged eyeliner look. And then I just applied white eyeliner following the trace of the cut crease. And now y'all already know the usual beat down, so I can go. Peace, you guys. I love y'all. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Make sure you comment down below what you want to see next from your favorite girl, Chelss. I'm out.